Welcome to today's video, where we'll uncover the remarkable benefits of mint leaves that go beyond just freshening your breath. Mint isn't just a tasty herb, it's a powerhouse of natural remedies that can enhance various aspects of your health and well-being. Let's dive in. Enhancing mental clarity and reducing stress. Mint contains rosmarinic acid, which helps your body adapt to stress by boosting a brain chemical called GABA. This promotes mental focus, enhanced memory, and alertness. Personally, I love starting my day with a refreshing cup of peppermint tea to awaken my senses and boost creativity. Studies also suggest that rosmarinic acid found in mint can reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. To prepare this mind-clearing drink, muddle some fresh mint leaves, add a squeeze of lemon juice, a teaspoon of raw honey, optional, and cold water. It's a refreshing way to relieve headaches and kickstart your day. Supporting weight loss and fat burning, mint smoothies are a fantastic addition to your weight loss journey. Blend a handful of mint leaves with mixed berries, Greek yogurt, sugar-free, and stevia. This drink not only triggers the release of bile to clear out toxins and burn fat, but also acts as an adaptogen, reducing stress and cortisol for faster weight loss results. Incorporate this minty delight into your morning routine to support your weight loss goals, fighting infections and boosting immunity. Mint, especially spearmint, is packed with healing properties. Spearmint contains carvone, which is naturally antifungal, antiparasitic, antiviral, and can fight against drug-resistant bacteria. Adding spearmint to your salads can help fight off infections and diseases in the body by boosting immune cells like neutrophils and monocytes. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your body's defense against pathogens. Improving oral health. Ever wondered why most toothpaste and mouthwashes have a minty flavor? That's because spearmint, commonly used in oral care products, contains carvone and other terpenes that naturally destroy biofilm shells around plaque, tartar, and bacteria in the mouth. Chewing on a few spearmint leaves or mixing them with your regular toothpaste can freshen your breath and keep your mouth and teeth clean. Soothing aching joints. Peppermint oil, known for its cooling sensation, can help alleviate pain and inflammation in aching joints, sprains, or muscle cramps. Mix a few drops of peppermint oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and apply it to the affected area. This natural remedy has been used for generations to ease arthritis pain and sports injuries. Making mint sauce, British method. Mint sauce is a classic British condiment, often paired with lamb. To make fresh mint sauce, chop mint leaves into tiny pieces. Add boiling water, malt or sherry vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and mix. This sauce not only adds flavor to your meals, but also holds sentimental value as it's a tradition passed down through generations in many families. Enhancing skin health. Mint leaves can also be used to prepare a natural toner for your skin. Steep mint leaves in hot water. Allow the mixture to cool, strain, and store it in a spray bottle. This refreshing spray can help clear up acne, reduce the size of pores, and leave your skin feeling rejuvenated. The salicylic acid found in mint leaves is particularly effective in combating skin blemishes. Uplifting mood, aromatherapy. Mint's invigorating aroma can uplift your mood and promote relaxation. Adding a few drops of peppermint oil to hot water, or using an oil burner can release essential oils into the air, soothing anxiety and promoting relaxation. You can also tie a bunch of fresh mint stalks in your shower to create a therapeutic spa-like experience during your daily routine. In addition to these benefits, mint leaves have been used to improve sleep quality, ease convulsions and menstrual cramps, and even deter pests from gardens. Whether you're sipping on mint tea, incorporating mint into your skincare routine, or enjoying a flavorful mint sauce with your meal, this versatile herb offers a myriad of health benefits. Now that you've discovered the wonders of mint, why not explore the benefits of other health spices like black pepper and turmeric? Check out our video on black pepper and turmeric benefits for more insights into enhancing your health naturally. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness on your journey to wellness. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and nutrition tips. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and remain blessed.